my universal world of peeps. How y'all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. And I hope you are enjoying this glorious month of May. It is the best month of the year. I tell you why. There's several reasons. Number one, my birthday is in May. It's next week. Number two, the Queen's birthday is in May. Number three, little Archie.
Archie.
My cousin Megan's baby.
I love that name, Archie.
I love it too.
Archie.
He is born in May. And number three, we got some new Patreons that have joined us this month. And I'm going to give you guys a big shout out. But you know what? This is something we're going to do each month, towards the beginning of the month. We are going to give a shout out to all the new people who have joined us on Patreon. But we've also had some new people who joined us in March and April. Those were really busy months for us. So you know what? We're going to give a shout out to you too before I even begin. So my first shout out goes to Ross Logan. How you doing, Ross? How about Der Ambrose? And what about Saul Martinez? Now, you just upped your pledge to $20.
No, he didn't.
What did he up it to?
He upped it from where it was. I'm not saying how much because I don't want to give
well, you know what?
But he has upped his pledge and we're very grateful.
And I'm happy that you've upped it. But guess what? Up it to 20, and guess what's going to happen? To everybody that comes in at 20, you're going to get a welcome face-to-face with the mama. So that because I want to meet you all. I want to get a little bit up and personal. A little bit close to you. You know what I mean? All right, let me get back in there. Emily Hamidian.
All right, give it to me.
And now Katrina's going to say something.
Emily, Hamidian.
I said that right.
Freya Finch-Atter, thank you.
Thank you.
And Maya Foster, thank you.
That's
Ben
Kat.
Little, we love you, thank you.
Y'all want to see Kat? Yes, you do. Give me that thing. Go on.
Lainey Mont.
Girl, if you don't
Kate.
take that paper down.
It's just Kate. Gleb Nosov, he's from Russia. Thank you for letting me know your seasonings arrived. Very grateful.
Spasibo.
Yes, spasiba. And Stephen Stallings and Virginia Nelson. Thank you. All of you, thank you. Because of you supporting us, we're able to do what we love. And let's
make these videos for you. So let me get on with it. Because today I'm going to be cooking up loads of things. Because that's the way I like to roll. When I'm in a cooking mood, you know, when I want to cook, I cook a lot. So we cook a lot of dishes, and then we upload them over the week, okay? So look out for the new ones to come. So today, yesterday, I made some macaroni and cheese, and this is some of the leftover.
And why did we make macaroni and cheese?
Well, I made the macaroni and cheese because I've got a pop-up coming.
And what are you serving with the macaroni and cheese?
And I'm doing macaroni and cheese balls. And they're up here so you can actually get the recipe, okay? But before we do that, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
Right, let's get on with it.
All right, so, like I said, I had some leftover macaroni and cheese, and I decided, I need to come up with another dish, so I have. Let me show you what we're going to do. First thing, I'm going to get me some gloves on. Now, y'all know me. I don't be normally wearing no gloves. But I do wear gloves if I'm dealing with fresh chicken, okay? And this way, it means I can just do what I got to do, and then I can move on. So I'm putting these gloves on. You can just call me Dr. Mama.
Dr. Mama.
Dr. Surgeon Mama. Because I look like I'm about to do an operation.
Well, you are on the chicken breast.
And I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken breast. The first thing I'm going to do is you put nice firm hand. And then what I'm going to do is I'm cutting through. Because we want a nice thin layer. Oh, daggone it.
Daggone it.
That's that one. No, this one here. I'll go with this one. That one I didn't realize was so thin. I'll cut this one just so we can get two pieces. I really kind of want to, I could butterfly.
Maybe you slapped it too hard.
I did.
Smushed it too much.
I did. This one I can feel is better.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Excellent.
That one's good. Okay, now. But you know what? I'll use that.
I know you will.
You know
You'll find
me.
a way.
You know me. Let's see this one. I think I could
You might be
still
able
do
to
it.
get a little bit out of that.
Yeah, I can. Yep, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, I have sliced my chicken breast, but the next thing I want to do is I get myself a little piece of plastic. I'll just stack these ones up, because then what you want to do is get yourself a roller and you just want to smash it down a bit. This helps, makes it larger, but it also tenderizes it. Okay?
So you want it to be quite thin?
You want it to be quite thin.
Okay.
So then let's get the next piece. So we might as well just do it all at the same time. Stick with me. Hi-ya! Ow!
You know what?
Alright, I'm putting all these pieces back in here.
You're going to piecemeal them together.
You watch me.
I know you will.
I ain't getting rid of nada. Okay. Now watch me. Now you watch how I turn that into one.
Oh, really?
Yep, you watch.
Oh my goodness.
Okay?
Just magically.
So, I'm going to start with this one because that's my little piecemealy one. Now, I will be washing my thing because it does have a little bit of chicken on it. Now, what you may ask, okay, Mom, but what you doing? You ain't said what you doing. What I'm doing, let me move these eggs here, is I'm going to take this macaroni and stuff it inside of my chicken breast and then wrap it in panko and bake it in the oven.
Oh my goodness, so it's like a macaroni and cheese ball, but it's covered in chicken.
It's covered in chicken.
Oh, Mum!
So, watch here. Here we go.
Okay.
So I'm going to take some of this macaroni and cheese out. And it's best if you can let your macaroni and cheese cool. There's a bit of plastic. Move that. Because I dropped it, as you can see. I dropped it as it came. And all I'm going to do is just chop this down a bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my Love Dust.
Wow.
And then I'm going to take a little bit of this. And what you want to do is you want to roll it. And this is why you want it to be a little bit cool, because then you can manage it.
Would you recommend making it maybe the day before, letting it cool, go in the fridge, so then the cheese can stiffen?
Or this is what I call one of my leftover meals.
Got it, right.
Because I made this for another whole different dish, but I had a little bit left over. And I thought, oh, what can I do with it? So, what I'm going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to lay it there. And then you want to try and gently, the others will roll a little bit easier. So, in this bowl, I'm going to crack my egg. Okay. I'm going to crack this one in my hand just to make sure it's good. Okay. Then, I'm going to beat up my egg. Okay. And then what we do is you take your chicken. And this here is some flour and cornmeal. It usually is just flour, but I had some leftover cornmeal in the bowl, so I'm using it.
Got it, okay.
And what you want to do is you just want to roll your chicken. Then you want to take it and you want to roll it in your egg.
Stella, hush.
Try and get the ends as well. Then you're going to take it and we're going to roll it in our panko.
Lovely.
And then I'm just going to sit this here. So let's get the next one. Okay, I'm going to
That's
show you.
really simple.
Really simple. Okay? So,
Wait, you haven't love dusted it yet.
No, I did that one.
Did you put out that one already?
I put on that
yeah,
one.
I see. Look, love dust.
Okay, so macaroni and cheese. Take it. Roll it into the flour. Roll it into the eggs. Roll it into the panko. Roll it and stick it there.
Excellent. All right, we can do the next two. And then
So
we'll come
do
back.
the next two and we'll come back to you when these two are done. So have a look at that. 2 chicken breasts and we got 4 hearty portions, okay? Serving this maybe with a salad, some green beans, because remember, you've already got your starch there, okay? You've got your macaroni and cheese in the inside, so you don't have to think about potatoes or anything like that. Just, I recommend a nice salad or some greens or green beans to go with that. Some crusty bread, maybe with some soup. Yumma dum dum dum. Looking good. Now, to finish this off, I've got one more thing. What I want to do is, I'm just going to use some of this. What?
I was about to say you're going to spray it with some oils just to help it go brown.
I am. This is just some extra virgin oil spray. So what we're going to do is...
If people don't have spray, what would you recommend they do?
You can just get you some oil and So, you've seen I've done that nice generous amount of spray. Then, final touch, get a little bit of love dust, baby. Pee-yum, pee-yum, pee-yum. Ow! Ow! Love it, dub dub. And now, there's just one less thing. And that's to put it in the oven and bake. Nice hot oven, about 350 Fahrenheit, or if it's your Celsius, my oven at the moment is on 175, okay? So I'm going to put this in the oven, top shelf, let it cook.
How long do you think it will need?
I can't tell you how long it needs until it comes out.
Fair enough.
So when it comes out, because guess what? I ain't never made this recipe before. It's my first time. And I ain't no mind reader. So, I'm going to look at the clock now, saying 2:15, and then I'll be able to tell you when to take it out. But remember, the chicken has been bashed so thin. The only thing we're cooking is the chicken. Because the macaroni and cheese is ready. And that macaroni and cheese is going to come out luscious, creamy cheesy. So, see you when it comes out. Okie dokie. Bye. Okay, my peeps. Let's see what we got here. Oh yes.
Look at that. The cheese is all melting out.
Can you look at the cheese melting?
Look at that.
Doesn't that look good? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one small one and just to cut it.
Yeah, we need to taste it, like.
Just to give you an idea.
Absolutely. Mum, that looks great.
So, should we go for this one here?
Yeah, don't know, whatever.
And let's see. Oh, God, look at that.
Look at that. Move your hand.
Look at that. Macaroni and cheese stuffed chicken.
Oh, we need to taste it, Mummy.
Okay, go on. You taste it. Have a taste.
Oh, you're going to taste it.
Yeah, well, let me cut it in half.
Because it's quite big.
And it's hot.
It's very hot.
It's really hot. Oh, I don't know. It's very hot.
It's also very good.
I got all macaroni and cheese.
Did you?
I got no chicken.
I've got some chicken.
What's the chicken?
Mmm. Oh, wow.
How is it?
Very good.
Mmm. Oh, that's nice.
Really nice.
Y'all know me. I do a happy dance.
I've got the love dust through as well. That
Really
smoked
nice.
paprika and
Really nice.
It's delicious.
Okay. So. So, did you press that button? Did you subscribe? If not, hit it there. I don't know what side it's coming, but hit it. Okay? So, a little bit of peace, whole lot of love, and soul. From the mama. Good night.